Education is a threshold towards the learning stages. Recently, our government has issued new educational policy of 2020, which includes the new framework of education system, which will be 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 framework in our education system. Up to 5th grade, it includes the age group of 3 to 8 years, which will be known as foundational stage, and from 8 to 11 years, which will be known as preparatory stage, from 11 to 14 years, which will be known as middle stage, and from 14 to 18 years, which will be known as secondary stage. Now more focus will be given to the sports and physical education activities, also on the practical knowledge, on the co-curricular activities. Now co-curricular activities will be merged in the education system. 10 days bagless will be provided to the students, and in which they are taught a vocation of their choice. It's a kind of informal training to them, so that they will get some expertise in the particular field which they want for themselves. And if I talk about bachelor degree will be of 4 years with the option available of exit, which means if a student exit after 1 year, they will get the certificate of 1 year, and if they get exit after 2 years, they will get the diploma. Even midterm dropout option will be available. If any student want to continue after a break to complete the degree, they will be given the facility of doing that also. Now if I talk about schooling, now more focus will be given to the sports and physical education activities. Also co-curricular activities will be included, and the experiential learning by playing, activity based learning, interactive classroom learning. So this is the new educational policy of 2020, and I am giving you here a short overview of new educational policy of 2020. I hope you will get some idea through this video. Thank you so much.